Today, I show you 25 songs you can play with one super easy trick. You only need to press 4 notes in the order left pinky, left thumb, right middle finger. That's it. It's so simple, it's almost cheating. Ready? Let's start with number 25. Love me tender, love me sweet, never let me go. Close your eyes, give me your hand, darling. Do you feel my heart beating? Do you understand? Now I've heard there was a secret chord that David plays and please the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? I heard that you settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. Never mind, I find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best. I've been alone with you inside my mind, and in my dreams I've kissed your lips 1,000 times. Oh, my love, my darling, I've hungered for your. I found a love for me. Oh, darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song. Country roads take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia. Maybe I didn't love you quite as often as I could. When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing just the way you are. Go on now, go, walk out the door, just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Welcome to the Hotel California. I see trees of green, red roses too. Every breath you take and every move you make, every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you. Sing us the song, you're a piano man. Sing us the song tonight, 'cause we're all in the mood for a melody, and you've got us feeling so right. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, won't you stand by me? Just as long as you stand by me. Wise men say. Only fools rush in. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. It's a little bit funny, there's feelings inside. I'm not one of those who can easily hide. I don't have much money, but boy, if I did. The best songs are still coming, but if you're loving these demos and want to explore more, I've got a free piano crash course, step-by-step lessons, chord charts, all for free. Link below or on my website werdemusiker.com. You're just too good to be true. I can't take my eyes off of you. You'd be like heaven to touch. Oh, I wanna hold you so much. At long last, love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. And I will always love you. Will always love. I don't wanna talk about the things we've gone through, though it's hurting me. Now it's history. The winner takes it all, and loser standing tall beside that victory. That's her destiny. Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. Imagine all the people